Teenagers in Jordan can end up in a juvenile detention facility like this for simply hurting someone in a fight. Many of these boys never expected to end up here for something as minor as that. Others didn't expect stealing would land them here either. This is Muhannad. It's not his real name. He's 14 and has been here for 5 months because he stole money. He says he only did it because a man threatened to stab him if he didn't.
I regret not listening to my father. He used to tell me not to make friends with bad company. I didn't listen, and I regret stealing, and I regret the court case.
A recent government study revealed alarming figures about the psychological state of juveniles held in detention. The study found that 23% have considered suicide, and that 87% have suffered from severe depression. 64% experienced severe psychological trauma. This is why the Social Development Ministry wants Parliament to approve a draft law to soften the impact on young people. The proposed juvenile detention draft law suggests substantial changes to the existing law. It includes replacing detention sentences with community service, as well as increasing the age of criminal accountability from 7 to 12. Legal experts say these amendments will ensure Jordan's child protection laws are compatible with international conventions it has signed. 85% of juveniles in detention have been condemned for minor offences. The Minister of Social Development says they'd be better off in school.
There is a need to look into the urgency of not disrupting their school life, and therefore the idea of, instead of residing in centres, we would go towards programs where there would be any behavioural changes.
Most parents of young offenders agree changes in the law are necessary.
A child's first mistake should not be punished with prison. My son is going to learn how to commit misdemeanors and other offences from children in prison who are a bad influence.
The government is trying to minimize that sort of influence with the proposed amendments to the juvenile detention law, which is widely expected to be adopted. Nisreen Al-Shamaili, Al Jazeera, Amman.